Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name, your go-to source for all things finance and investment. Today we're diving into one of the hottest topics of 2024, the most popular investment strategies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, this video will give you the lowdown on the strategies that are making waves this year. So, let's get started. First up, we have sustainable and ESG investing. With increasing awareness about climate change and social responsibility, more investors are putting their money where their values are. ESG stands for environmental, social, and governance. These criteria are changing how we evaluate companies. Environmental looks at a company's carbon footprint and resource conservation. Social focuses on employee treatment and community impact. Governance examines leadership, executive pay, and transparency. High ESG scores attract investments seen as more sustainable. Investing in sustainable companies offers competitive returns. ESG-focused funds are seeing significant capital influx. Next, let's talk about technology and AI stocks. It's no surprise that tech continues to dominate the investment landscape. But this year, AI and automation are particularly hot. We've all seen the headlines, right? AI writing code, creating art, even composing music. It's mind-blowing, and it's just the tip of the iceberg. This technology has the potential to revolutionize practically every industry imaginable. Companies like OpenAI, NVIDIA, and other AI-driven firms are pushing the envelope of what's possible, making them prime targets for growth investors. These companies are at the forefront of innovation, and their stock prices reflect that potential. But remember, investing in tech, especially cutting-edge tech like AI, comes with its own set of risks. These companies can be volatile, and their valuations are often based on future potential, not current profitability. With AI integrating into various sectors, the potential for high returns is significant. Imagine the possibilities in healthcare, finance, manufacturing. The applications are endless, but it's not just about the big players. Keep an eye out for smaller, more niche AI companies that are developing specific solutions. These could be potential acquisition targets for the tech giants or could experience explosive growth on their own. Another strategy gaining popularity is dividend growth investing. This one's a classic but with a modern twist. In a world of speculative assets and meme stocks, dividends provide a sense of stability and reliability. Investors are not just looking for high dividends but companies that consistently increase their dividend payouts. This approach provides a steady income stream and the potential for capital appreciation. Think of it like this: you're buying a piece of a profitable business that shares its profits with you, and as the business grows, your share of the pie gets bigger too. Think of stalwarts like Johnson & Johnson or Procter & Gamble. These companies have a long history of paying dividends and increasing them year after year. They're like the reliable dividend-paying machines of the stock market. But don't think dividend growth is limited to these old-school companies. Many tech companies are starting to realize the value of returning cash to shareholders through dividends. So, if you're looking for a strategy that provides both income and growth potential, dividend growth investing is worth considering. It's a classic strategy for a reason. It works. Chapter 4: Blockchain and DeFi Investments. Now for the crypto enthusiasts, blockchain and DeFi investments are still going strong in 2024. The crypto market might be cooling off from its wild ride, but that doesn't mean the innovation has stopped. In fact, it's just getting started. While traditional cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum remain popular, the spotlight is shifting towards decentralized finance, or DeFi, platforms and blockchain technology companies. These investments are risky but can offer high rewards. DeFi is all about cutting out the middleman in financial services. We're talking lending, borrowing, trading, all happening on the blockchain without the need for banks or other traditional financial institutions. It's a radical idea with the potential to disrupt the entire financial system. And then there are blockchain technology companies. These companies are building the infrastructure and applications that will power the next generation of the internet. We're talking about supply chain management, digital identity, and even voting systems. But remember, the crypto world is still like the Wild West. It's highly volatile and there's a lot of uncertainty. So only invest what you can afford to lose and do your due diligence. Chapter 5: Real Estate Crowdfunding. Another trend we're seeing is real estate crowdfunding. This strategy allows smaller investors to get a piece of the real estate market without needing huge capital. Gone are the days where you needed hundreds of thousands of dollars to invest in real estate. Platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul are making it easier for people to invest in commercial and residential properties. It's a great way to diversify your portfolio and earn passive income. With real estate crowdfunding, you can invest in a diversified portfolio of properties with as little as a few $100s. You can choose to invest in residential properties, commercial properties, or even debt deals. It's a great way to dip your toes into the real estate market without having to worry about being a landlord or dealing with tenants. Plus, real estate is a tangible asset that can provide a hedge against inflation. It's a win-win situation for both investors and developers. So, if you're looking for a way to diversify your portfolio and potentially earn passive income, real estate crowdfunding is definitely worth checking out. Chapter 6. Global diversification. Lastly, let's not forget about global diversification. In an interconnected world, diversifying your investments across different geographies is more important than ever. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, especially if that basket is just your home country. Investing in emerging markets or international ETFs can provide exposure to growth opportunities outside of your home country. Countries like India and Brazil are expected to show significant economic growth. Think about it. Different countries are at different stages of economic development. Some are experiencing rapid growth while others are more mature. By investing globally, you can potentially tap into these growth opportunities and reduce your overall portfolio risk. There are plenty of ways to invest globally. You can buy individual stocks of foreign companies, invest in international mutual funds or ETFs, or even consider investing directly in real estate in other countries. The key is to do your research and understand the risks involved. Investing in emerging markets, for example, can be more volatile than investing in developed markets. But with a well-diversified portfolio, you can potentially achieve greater returns and weather any economic storms that come your way. So don't be afraid to look beyond your own borders when it comes to investing. The world is your oyster. And there you have it. These are the most popular investment strategies in 2024. Each of these strategies comes with its own set of risks and rewards. So it's important to do your research and perhaps consult with a financial advisor before making any big moves. Remember, what works for one person might not work for another. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to your channel name for more financial insights. Drop a comment below and let us know which strategy you're most excited about this year. Until next time, happy investing. And remember, investing is a journey, not a sprint. Stay informed, stay patient, and stay invested. Bye everyone.